In this quick tutorial I will show you how to remove the background of image just in a one click and change its background. First of all, you have to unlock the layer and then go into the properties panel and then click on the remove background in quick action. If it is showing you like this, click here and then click on the remove background. It will take a little bit time and remove the background of your image. So when it is done, you can go again into your layer panel and go into the solid color. Choose the color you want. I am choosing this blue one and drag this layer under the your subject layer, and this is how you can see you can perfectly remove and change the color of your background in any image. Thanks for watching Design Aura Official.